Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, I last spoke to you guys 3 days ago. 3 days ago, but I'm back, and I just wanted to give you another unboxing video. This is another unboxing one. So I went to LV to get my perfume refilled. They've got these bags at the moment. Cute. I got my perfume refilled. Excuse the china on the board, on the cover. So this is not the one that's in there. I think I mixed the boxes, but this is my baby, and it's personalized already. So I just went to go get it refilled. I had run out of it, and I went to get it refilled. That's that. Then today I went to Sunglass Hut and I got these. And I want us to unbox them together. They're sunglasses. They're the AI sunglasses, the Meta Ray-Bans. Actually, give me a minute. Ugh. I need to record this for Insta. So it comes with these, and I think this is just paperwork. Ready? So let me put this one away. So this is the case you charge it. It's a rechargeable case. That's a bit better. That's better. So these glasses, they have transition lenses. So as I'm outside, when I go into the sun, they go transparent, and I think they go darker when I'm in the sun, and then when I'm inside, they go transparent. You can answer your phone calls from here. You can text message. You can translate any language. Apparently it's only European languages at the moment that you can translate. You can take pictures with these. You can record videos as well with these. You can listen to your music with these as well. I can't wait to record content for you guys with these babies. Yeah. And I bought this cap 2 days ago. The green version. This one doesn't have an adjustable back, but it fits perfectly. It's a large / extra large, but it fits perfectly with my locks. It fits. Anyway, let me read about these babies, set them up, and hopefully I get to use them tomorrow, because I have an event that I'm going to, and I'll take you guys with me. I got an invite from Fendi just to have a look at their stock, the stock that they have. I'll put the invite there, a screenshot of the invite there. So I'm gonna go, since I'm in Brisbane already, I'm gonna go and see what they have. Hopefully get some ideas on what I want to purchase next. Maybe not. But yeah, it would be just something nice to go to. So yes. So there's a QR code that I can scan. Pull the tab. You can charge it. And then it will show you the battery level. And then you set it up. I have to study this, because I know there's speakers. Your speakers are somewhere here, I think. I don't know. And then you've got somewhere that you press here when you want to capture your pictures and your whatever. So yeah, I'm gonna go and charge these and set them up. I will pick you guys again tomorrow. Yeah, I'll pick you guys up again tomorrow, and we'll do a get ready with me and whatnot. I might go with you guys to breakfast. I don't know. Like, I'm just lazy. I'm just in my lazy girl era, carrying the camera and stuff. Maybe that's why I thought this would be better, just because I don't have to whip out my camera and start recording. I can just record with these, like whatever snippets that I have. Might be for Instagram though. I'm not sure if I can get long form videos with these for YouTube, but definitely for Insta. Yeah. So yeah, it might be all over the place. It might be all over the vlogging might be all over the place, but this is where we are at. This is my Christmas gift to myself. You know what I mean? And then we'll do birthday gifts in January. I think I'll buy my birthday gifts wherever it is that I'm going for my birthday. I'll get them there. But yes, queen. Let me take pictures for my thumbnail and then go and rest up a little bit. See ya. So guys, I just want you to have a look at the transition that happens here from when I was not in the sunlight to where there was sunlight. They've gone darker. They've gone a shade darker. Did you see that? Did you catch that? And on this slide that's coming up, excuse my big cap there, but this is the picture quality from the glasses. I'm recording from the glasses here, and this is the picture quality that it has. And the photos that are on the sides there, I recorded them. I took those pictures with the glasses. So the picture quality is per, the video quality is per. It records for 3 minutes, like 3-minute videos. It records for like a 3-minute video. So this is Queen Street Arcade, and look at how impeccable this quality is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Until next time, catch.